Let's get it on!
You've seen how it works. They come over that first elevation, and as we always say, don't try this at home. Started for a lap to count the driver over the elevation. Number 118 is your leader at this point in time. Looks like a little change happened down there when Chuck's got number 4. Mike Wetmoffer in the lead now. Number 4 in the lead, followed by 6, and followed by number 20. 4, 6, and 20 with 4 laps completed. Number 6, and that's what it's all about. You know, I bet he doesn't have a problem getting a parking spot at Canadian Tire.
You want to get through with that or what?
Now, John.
Yes, Doug.
Not that I want to get too excited, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But I can't believe that all the folks here are just kind of sitting here like it's a golf game after seeing all that right here. Is this not Rockton? Is this not Friday night at Rockton? Let me hear a little noise in the house for Demolition Derby! Man, you're gonna love that kind of driving skill right now, but when you watch these track officials work at this, making sure that it is safe, that is number 1. But I cannot believe the crew that you got on those skid steers out here. These guys are magical. It looks like they might have done this once or twice, huh?
Oh, they have. We've got one of the best crews here in Rockton that we work with anywhere across the country. That right now, he's saying, what do I do with this thing? If you've been looking for a good used automobile,
it puts a whole new spin on pick your part, don't you think?
Exactly. The way it always works in these particular situations, ladies and gentlemen, is that the officials will take a quick look at both automobiles to make sure that there's nothing unsafe for the driver to continue. This, of course, particularly comes into play if the car has been over on its roof. It could be leaking fuel. I see that the driver has now come out of number 6. That would tell me he's not going to continue.
He's got the best seat in the house, John.
Well, he does.
We gotta get you back off here, my friend, because we gotta get things going. We're gonna just get you to head back over here from the point of view.
They continue to race from their starting points, ladies and gentlemen, as they continue to play. We've got 5 laps completed now on number 4 with number 6 in the lead. Number 6 in the lead at this point.
John, I got it with me right here. What happened here?
They continue to play now. Number 4 in the lead.
So tell us what happened there, Randy. You took that number 6 and you decided to stand it on its own and do a little nose wheeling. The problem with out there, I want you to know that we're going to hang out right here and we go back to this track and get the nose hooked on to the lead.
Number 20 in the lead right now. Number 20 followed by number 118 and followed in third by number 4. Number 20 Tim Moore in the lead. Number 4 in second spot. Number 118 in third. Number 20 is your leader at this point, Tim Moore. With 10 laps completed on the second car. 10 laps completed on the leader. Number 20 in the lead. completed. This is getting exciting. We've got some speed going on here. Now we've got number 4 in the lead with 14 laps completed. Number 4 has now taken over the lead. All he has to do is get around one more time. Watching the purple car, number 4, here he comes. He may very well win this, and there we go.